fob over here, do an experiment. Can y'all see that? It looks awful blurry. I know this video quality is not going to be good. It's on an old school camera. But we're going to shoot it with a 22 long rifle, then do with a hollow point and see if, you know, if this is Z87 certified safety glasses. So I think might do a pellet gun, but we're going to see how the 22 does first, because I wonder if the hollow point is going to like break it up as soon as it hits it and like splatter. That's why I did cardboard. Such a definitely see where it went in at. Broke the glasses like basically in half. So let's find out where the camera's at. Zoom out. You can see right there. Let's see if we can get the focus. But went straight through that. You see right there, it went straight into his eye. Yeah, yep, straight in the back of the thing. Alright, I'm going to try hollow point next. I'm going to get it to break it up. So, definitely it did not even fade it straight through. Where did that go? I guess that one kind of did the same thing. That one didn't break up neither. Went straight through. I don't know if y'all can see that. Went straight through the corner, straight into his eye. So that Bob is definitely dead. Out there. I was definitely dead. 3 holes to the sandbox. Straight out the back. Didn't even splatter, didn't break it up. There wasn't enough to stop it. Didn't break it up. Alright, we're gonna try with the, wish I could put those back up there. About that, is that good? Fix this. Can I set it back up? One anyways. We're gonna try with the pellet gun. Since it didn't destroy it too bad. 1,300 feet per second. Shooting about 9 grains, somewhere around there. 9 grains and yeah, 9 grains. It's probably shooting around 800. But heavy cup probably. Why do I do the active together? Is that another hole? It's definitely another hole. I think that was my fault. Well, it hit the edge. Y'all can see that. It hit the edge and slipped off and went straight into him. So, yeah. Alright, back up. See if we can't try that again. Sorry, the gun's not. This one's got the scope, so it's not. Range I gotta adjust. I see that? Yeah. Alright, redoing it. Definitely made a crazy sound. Well, it definitely sounded like it hit. But I'm not seeing anything. It's so hot out here. Alright. Nice. Definitely. Alright, so hit there. Did not go through. Made a good bulge in it. Really good bulge. I bet if you shot there probably twice, it'd probably go through. But nice, not bad. Pretty cool. And the 22 didn't make a big hole through it neither. What's up, guys? Cool one. So we got our old microwave. We're not doing the 22. We're going to do the 177 pellet gun. All right, but we're setting the microwave up 80 yards. This old pile. I got Bob in here. I think he looks more like a Joe. Yeah, it looks more like a Joe. Joe, want to see if the pellet? I might actually put y'all inside here. What do y'all think of that? Yeah, I might put y'all inside here. This camera's old. I don't think I do anything to it anyways. Shouldn't. It might not even go through. Is that cool or what? Yes, y'all look fine. Yeah, outside. Oh man, y'all see that? So it is broken up. Let's do the glass. There's some pellets stuck in there. It's pretty cool looking. Bunch of other like bulges and stuff like that. Pretty nice. Alright, I forgot to tell y'all about say his name was what's his face? He does have some battle wounds. You can see right there. It's not pellets sticking through, it looks like it's just debris that was flying back and scratching him. So he's probably got a scratched up face. My battery's about to die on here. But other than that, I mean that's it. Right there. Just two little spots mainly I see. A couple other little dots, but that's it. So, did good. Y'all survived. See you next time. What's up, guys? We got the best intro in the world. Just kidding. That's probably terrible. I wasn't. Anyway, so we got the microwave and we got the compound bow. I'm down to my last 2 arrows. All right, I gotta buy some more, but I'm doing this for the tube because I know y'all want to watch it. Arrow go through the microwave screen because y'all probably just saw the pellets from 80 yards. Now y'all get to see the compound bow through the microwave. I got the girl MB behind the camera, my woman. We'll get close up on Joe over here. Y'all remember we got Joe in here? Let's see how he holds up. Yeah, Joe Diffie. Yeah, looks like my cousin.